So guys, welcome to the lecture 10 part 1 and topic is a set. So today we discuss what is a set. So set in C++ is a part of STL library that store unique element in a specific sorted order. It is implemented using balanced binary search tree and you can say this is a red black tree also. Now we are discuss key features of set. So store unique element, no duplicate allowed in the set. Element are automatically stored. Insertion and deletion take big of log n time complexity. Search operation also take big of log n time complexity. Does not allow random access like array or vector. Now we discuss syntax of set. So first we declare our header file. So just include set header file. Then we just declared our set data structure. So you can see here we just declare set of integer and set name is a as. Okay, initially it's a empty set of integer. Now we discuss operation on set. So insertion, basically we will do insertion on the set. So how to insert any element. So how to insert any element. So how to insert any element. So with the help of insert function, we just insert 10, then we just insert 20, then again 10. But 10 is a duplicate because this 10 is already present in the set. So just ignore duplicate because this is a duplicate. Okay. So second is our deletion. So by using erase function, we delete our element on the set. So with the help of erase, we just delete the 10. Okay, second is a size. Okay, so third one is a size. So with the help of size function, we find out the size of the set. And next is a search. So with the help of this find function, we can easily search in our set. So with the help of this find function, we can easily search any element on the set. Now we are going to iterating. Iterating means how to iterate in our set. So with the help of this for loop, we just auto it. It is a variable and this s is a basically name of the set. So with the help of this one, we iterate in our set. Now we discuss types of set. So first is a set. Basically this is a order set. So this one store unique element in a sorted order and we can implement this sorted we can implement this order set with the help of red black tree. Second is a multi-set. So in multi-set, store element in a sorted order also, but this multi-set allow the duplicate element also. Now come to the third one, and third one is a unordered set. So store unique element in any order, okay, not in sorted order, any order. Implementing using hash table, average time complexity for insertion, big of 1 and worst time take big of n in unordered set. Now come to the unordered multi-set. So this one store the element in any order and duplicate element are also allowed in the unordered multi-set. So now come to the time complexity. So for the insertion take big of log n for the set and for multi-set take big of 1 and average case for the unordered set. So now come to the time complexity. So for the insertion take big of log n for the set and multi-set. But for the unordered set, take big of 1 for average case. Now come to the second one for deletion. So take big of log n for the set and multi-set and take big of 1 for the average unordered set. And next one is a search. So take big of log n for the set and multi-set and take big of 1 for the average of and take average for the unordered set. Okay, so now come to the example of set. So first you can see first we declared our set here. Okay, with the help of this insert function, we insert the value. First we insert 5, then we insert 1, then we insert 3. Okay, now we are going to print all the element with the help of this auto. Okay, so with the help of this one, we just print all the value. So output is a 135. Okay, now we are going to find out this 3 is present on the set, yes or no. Okay, so we just using find function. So now, okay, so here you can see we just use this find function to find out the three element is present on the set. Okay, so we just check 3 is present. Okay, so this is a erase function. So this, with the help of erase function, we can easily find. So this is our erase function. So with the help of erase function, we can easily delete any element on the set. So we delete first. So we delete 1 in the set. And now we are going to again print after performing multiple operation. So you can see we are going to print all element. So after deleting 1, our output become 3 and 5. So I think this one is clear to everyone. Thank you.